To improve our customer support service, we've introduced a new software support feature. This feature allows you to easily access customer service 24 hours a day. To use the RentAAA support service, follow these steps. Log into RentAAA dashboard using your registered business email and password. Upon successful login, you'll be directed to the dashboard screen. Click on RentAAA support and select support requests from the existing list. If the required option is not available, choose none of the above and add your comment in the designated column. You can also access support from RentAAA mobile app. While using the RentAAA mobile app, click on the Accounts, and you will land on the Account screen. Choose RentAAA support service and make use of this feature effortlessly. Thanks for choosing RentAAA. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get latest updates.